Unlock all the perks and features of your Greendot card in just a few easy steps. First things first, grab your Greendot card and head over to greendot.com/activate. Once you're on the activation page, locate the big, friendly Activate button and give it a click. Now, time to fill out the required information. This will usually include your card number, the expiration date, and the security code located on the back of your card. Next, you'll need to provide your personal information, like your name, address, date of birth, and social security number. This is crucial for security and verification, so make sure everything is accurate. Choose a secure username and a strong password. This will be your key to accessing your Greendot account online, so keep it safe and memorable. Almost there, review all the information you've entered and double-check for any typos. Once you're confident, hit that submit button. Congratulations! Your Greendot card is now activated and ready to use. Enjoy the convenience and flexibility of your new card.